happy because I just got off a Zoom meeting with my friends. And it was so nice to see your beautiful, happy faces. It definitely made me miss you guys a lot more, but at the same time, it was so nice to see you guys. So I said I was going to shout you guys out. So shout out to the following friends who were in the Zoom meeting: Harmony, Sophia, Giovanni, Asaya, Nadia, and also Stephen and Andrea joined us. So thank you, friends, so much. Now let's go ahead and move on. Today you are going to be making a circle map, a flow map, a sloppy copy, and a final draft of this: how to make a milkshake. In class, we would have done this, but since we don't know when school is going to start back up, I still wanted to have you guys give you the opportunity to make a milkshake at home, but also write about it. So let's get started. So the circle map has already been done for you. It's Friday. You guys have been working hard. So I decided to help you out with the circle map. You can still add ingredients to this if you would like, but I still want to see you guys copy this and send it to me on Dojo. So the circle map includes directions and ingredients. And as you can see, to make a milkshake, we need the following items or things. We need ice cream. You can do whatever flavor of ice cream you want. You can do vanilla, chocolate, cookies and cream, chocolate chip, or strawberry. Whichever you like is what I want you to draw and write. You also need I think these are called ice cream scoopers. So you use it to scoop the ice cream. To make a milkshake, you definitely need this important ingredient here, which is milk. You need this tool, which is called a blender. And if you would like, you can also add some whipped cream on the top. When I did this activity with my students last year and the year before, they sometimes wanted to add a cherry on the top, or they wanted to add sprinkles on the top. So if that's something you like, you can do it, or you can just leave it out. So what I want you to do is pause the video, make the circle map again. This is more so you could practice how to make a circle map, and also to practice your spelling, and also to practice your art, your drawing skills. So since it's completed for you, you can add more. Of course, that is always better. Let's go ahead and push play when you're ready to move on to the flow map. So what you're going to do on the flow map is you're going to make these boxes. So you need definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 7. What you're going to do is you're going to put these in the directions to make a milkshake, which I'm going to tell you aloud. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to choose what flavor of ice cream you want to use. So you can say something like, first, you get some delicious chocolate ice cream. Then the next step would be to scoop the ice cream. So then you could say something like, next, you use an ice cream scooper to scoop ice cream into the blender. Then you add some milk to the blender. And again, the word blender is here. Finally, you blend, and you can add some whipped cream to the milkshake once it's in a cup. So it can sound something like that, or it can be better. That was just like a rough example, but I already have the introduction for you, which is, do you want to learn how to make a milkshake? So you just go and copy this sentence onto your introduction, and then you go and tell me what's the first step, and then you go and tell me what's next, what's then, and finally. And for the conclusion, you can just tell me what it tastes like. So if your parents let you make one, that's awesome. Thank you to them. Or if they don't have the ingredients right now and they don't want to go to the store, that's also fine. You can make it at another time. But I'm sure you've all had a milkshake before, so you could just tell me what it tastes. It tastes delicious. It tastes tasty. It tastes scrumptious. Try to find a fun adjective to describe the taste of the milkshake. And then you just draw a picture. And then after you do that, you can make your sloppy copy. And then after your parents help you with the spelling, you can enter or commas or periods or capitalization that you might have missed. Then you can move on to your final draft. And that's when you go ahead and use the pictures that you drew to add to your final draft. I really would like to see you guys pictures of you making a milkshake and also or just pictures of you writing about it. Please, please feel free to send them to me. I can't wait to see your work. It was so nice to see you guys today. Please try your best with this activity, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye, friends.